Yo guys, what's up and welcome to the trade recap of today's trades, I have to say, because I broke my own rules. I literally took 2 trades today and yeah, one of my biggest rules is that I only take 1 trade per day no matter what happens, but I broke that rule today. I also do mistakes. I'm just a human too, and I'm also trying to improve, trying to grow, but honestly these trade recaps, they help me a lot to improve. And not only for you guys, these trade recaps are very helpful, but also for me because I also learn from them and I try to learn from my mistakes. So let's just see what happened because today was kind of wild. So yeah, coming into market open, my bias was bullish. As you can see, we had this typical pattern of low resistance liquidity resting up here, and I was trying to look for bullish entries, for long entries. Unfortunately, I got tricked by ES today because, as you can see, we had these two 15-minute highs right here. This high and this high. Let me mark it out better for you. These two highs. And yeah, as soon as market opened, we swept these highs and I was like, okay, let me just try really something really wild today. And immediately off of these two sweeps, I want to enter off of the breakout structure, which I did, stops above that sweep, and my targets were these 15-minute lows. Down here, these were eventually relatively equal lows, and this would have been my first take profit, and yeah, one of these equal lows would have been my second TP. Unfortunately, yeah, this candle didn't hit my first take profit. It just edged it, so I didn't close out the position. I wanted to see an obvious push over my take profit. Only then I would have closed some partials. And as you can see, with only these two confluences, the sweep and the breakout structure, I ended up getting stopped out, which was deserved because later on I saw that we swept already these highs pre-market with this blue candle. So it wasn't even a sweep after market open, so it was just completely deserved for me to lose this trade. And yeah, I was just asking myself, what the fuck am I doing here? Like, why am I searching for a short entry when my bias is short, when my bias is bullish, when my bias is long? So I want to search for a bullish long entry. So what am I doing here searching for shorts 1 minute after market open on ES? So I kept observing the ES and NQ. I saw we had also this bullish SMT because we made a lower low right here on ES, and on NQ we made higher low, so this was definitely a bullish SMT. Additionally, on NQ we swept out hella low resistance liquidities on the 15-minute. So I watched NQ. I wanted to trade the leading index, and I was just watching for a bullish entry possibility. And what possibility did we get? Obviously, we broke structure to the upside with this blue candle. We formed bullish fair value gap. Respect that we got a bullish reaction out of it. I just wanted to make sure that we really go higher now, and I just was waiting a little bit more until I finally decided to enter in a long trade. I'm still in this trade. As you can see, we almost hit my second take profit. And yeah, I'm already break even for this day. This NQ trade is already covering up my ES loss. And if NQ ends up hitting all my take profits, I'll actually make a decent win today. I don't know, this entire day today, no news Monday, I don't know, I was kind of irritated by the first move of ES, to be honest. I should have been more patient, and I shouldn't search for short entries while my bias is obviously bullish. And this is also what I keep preaching, like we have this downstairs pattern, resting liquidities up here, search for bullish entry. The reason why I was also kind of concerned is because if you look at this overextension that we are in right now, we also didn't take out the equilibrium from this swing high to the swing, from this swing low to the swing high up here. We didn't take out the equilibrium, so I was like, is this entire extension going to be corrected today? I don't know. And then like how the ES moved in the first few seconds was irritating to me, and I didn't stick to my bullish bias, and I tried to find a short entry, which was completely stupid in the end. But NQ long entry saved me. yeah, I'm still in this trade. Let's see if it ends up hitting all my TPs. I'm gonna keep you updated on my Discord. If you have any questions, write down in the comments here. If you enjoyed the trade recap, leave a like. I appreciate you all. Hope you guys learned something from this trade recap. I've learned definitely something today, to be more patient and to stick to my bias. As I said, I also do mistakes sometimes. I'm also just a human. It's completely natural. It's part of the game. With that being said, appreciate you all. See you in the next trade recap. Peace, guys.